Picture yourself in the 2020 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 35,000 miles on this versatile 3-row Pathfinder delivers muscular capability and quiet comfort. Epic family road trips, towing, carpooling, and weekend drives are peaceful and relaxing in this can-do SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, third-row seat, alarm, electronic stability control, rear AC, dual-zone AC, rear spoiler. Feel the assurance of quiet capability in this Pathfinder. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.